Let's do a little walkthrough of what has happened with cryptocurrencies this week. Taking a look at Bitcoin at the present, and this could just shoot up higher, but at the present, from the high of the week to from the open, Bitcoin has traveled up 42.8% on some pretty significant volume and continuing to push higher. It is nearing the 361.8 Fibonacci extension at 43K. But it is anticipated that, as long as it's rising, it's still going to keep going. Do note, though, that the RSI is currently at the second highest it has ever been, where we had the highest that it's ever been was way back in 2010 when it was trading around 96.9, and we are now above the level that the RSI was at in December of 2017. Just a hair, though. It was at 93.17 versus 93.97. There is some bearish divergence that exists now between the RSI and the composite index, so do be aware of that. And Bitcoin does have very frequent 50% retracements, so it makes total sense that we would see it stop out somewhere around 40K, only to retrace all the way back down to 20K. A very, very likely scenario here in the near future. Ripple, of course, in a lot of deep trouble with the SEC. In fact, there was some news that came out just within the last couple of days that Ripple's CEO reported that they tried to settle with the SEC, but the SEC is continuing to pursue legal action against them. They've had a technical dead cat bounce this week, moving up 31.3%. That's where it's at from its current close from the open. And then another rally this week, one of the top 10 market cap coins is Cardano, shooting up a whopping 71.9% at one point. At one point this week, from its high of the week, we were up 102.6%. So pretty nice retracement there, but moving along very, very nicely. Take a look at the broader market. This is a relative rotation graph. This is selected some cryptocurrencies, that their dollar pairs. The comparison index here is the BTC USD pair. Outliers are the ones that are way divergent from Bitcoin's price action. And of course, we have Ripple sitting out there. GRT, that's Gollum, is out here as well. Bitcoin Cash following along. We do have some instruments that have been transitioning from the improving category into the leading. And so that's why we see Cardano over here. Stellar Lumens certainly approaching that zone. Band is OMG. But we are now seeing some weakness generate. DOT in the DeFi space. DOT is kind of nosediving into the weakening category. Litecoin transitioning outside of weakening to lagging, and it is currently the leader in the laggards over here. But otherwise, we have a lot of instruments kind of all sitting here who have yet to really experience a pretty nice move against Bitcoin. Zcash, Tron, Bancor, Basic Attention Token, EOS, OX, Tezos, Y Finance. I mean, we've got a lot of these guys right here, a huge chunk of underperformers and now trying to transition into leading performers. But this transition of a bulk of these altcoins into the improving category in our relative rotation graph bodes well for some continued altcoin momentum. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to speaking with you in our future videos.